True. And to make pregnancy a golden journey, it's just not about, कि मैं जो खाना चाहूँ मैं वो खा लूँ, मेरी जो क्रेविंग्स है मैं उनको पूरा कर लूँ, ठीक है.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपने क्रेविंग बोला, बहुत ही अच्छा पॉइंट
हम्म.
बोला.
हम्म.
देयर इज लॉट ऑफ क्रेविंग्स व्हिच कम्स बिकॉज ऑफ टू रीजन.
Uh-huh.
वन इज सम डेफिशिएंसी इन योर बॉडी.
Okay.
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 So you have to cater those deficiencies so that the craving becomes less.
Exercise during pregnancy is dangerous. Women should not lift anything, should not exert. So tell us about this misconception.
False. Movement is medicine.
Yes,
With
true.
proper supervision, exercise is safe and essential.
Movement,
मैं 10
yes.
साल से कोई मेडिकेशन नहीं खाई हूँ, कोई भी नहीं, नॉट इवन क्रोसिन. हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल? बिकॉज मेरे 6 सबसे बड़े मेडिसिन है.
फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास तभी जाना चाहिए जब कोई फिजिकल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो, कि भाई या तो डायबिटीज आ गया या हाइपरटेंशन आ गया या स्पाइन में दर्द हो गया, तभी जाओ.
तो हम वही बात हो गई कि ब्लड टेस्ट तभी कराओ जब कोई डिजीज है.
Yes. So, Dr. Pooja, when we are talking about pelvic floor exercises, how does these exercises help the expectant mother during the labor time?
So if your pelvic floor muscles are strong, okay, especially in normal delivery, I'm talking about, you need to push the baby out, and that pushing happens through core and pelvic floor muscles. So अगर आपकी pelvic floor muscles strong है and the core muscles are strong, you'll be able to push the baby much better, much efficiently. Your labor time can be reduced.
Okay.
And I already spoke about it, the perineal tear, the episiotomy,
Yes.
that the
Yes.
tear which happens,
Mhm.
that the impact can be lessened.
Okay.
Instead of say 10 stitches, there can be only 2 stitches. Okay.
Okay.
So, and of course, because there is much better control in bladder, and
Mhm.
then postpartum, the chances of incontinence and prolapse gets much lesser.
Okay. तो एंड्योरेंस पावर ज्यादा आ जाती है आपको लेबर टाइम में.
यस. एंड आपका मतलब क्या होता है कि आपके अंदर वो एनर्जी होती है और मसल्स में स्ट्रेंथ होती है. क्योंकि देखो, लोगों को लगता है कि बाइसेप्स मसल है, ट्राइसेप्स मसल है, बट वजाइना के अंदर भी जो मसल्स हैं वो तो मसल्स है ना. दे ऑल्सो नीड टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड दे नीड वेरी स्मॉल टाइनी एक्सरसाइजेस. यस, कीगल्स इज वन ऑफ देम. हम लोग बहुत कीगल्स की बात करते हैं, बट कीगल्स इज ओनली वन ऑफ देम. देयर आर मेनी pelvic floor exercises which you can.
Right. So, talking about now, this question is from the working moms, Pooja. Now they have got a busy schedule and it gets difficult for them, to concentrate on these exercises and all. So, what advice do you have for the working moms? How do they balance out this prenatal care for themselves?
देखो, 20 to 30 मिनट्स वॉक करना ही है, ठीक है.
Okay.
उसको 15 मिनट्स में डिवाइड कर सकती है. मॉर्निंग 15 मिनट्स कर लिया, इवनिंग 15. स्पेशली अगर डायबिटीज वगैरह है तो खाने के बाद 15-20 मिनट वॉक करनी ही करनी है, ठीक है ना.
Okay.
तो वो आपका डिनर के बाद आप कर सकते हो, सारे काम करने के बाद. ओके. हाँ. या फिर मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग में डिवाइड कर दो. 15 मिनट मॉर्निंग में कर लो, नाइट में 15 मिनट कर लो. ओके. इसके अलावा अगर आप ऑफिस जा रहे हो, उसमें भी आप वॉक करो. इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग लिफ्ट, आप स्टेयर क्लाइंबिंग करो.
Okay.
Because stair climbing will also strengthen your knee and your leg muscles. Okay. और आप अपने फिजियो से या जो भी इंस्ट्रक्टर आपका है उससे बात करिए कि कौन से ऐसे स्ट्रेचेस हैं, कौन सी ऐसी एक्सरसाइजेस हैं जो हम चेयर पे कर सकते हैं. Okay. There are so many stretches which we can do on chair while working in front of the laptop. Okay. Apart from this, Kegels can be done in sitting. So आपके Kegels आप डिवाइड करो कि अच्छा अभी 5 अभी करूंगी, बाद में दोपहर को 5 करूंगी, उसके बाद 5 करूंगी. ओके. बीच बीच में जब आप ब्रेक ले रहे हो तो थोड़ा डीप ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज करो, पेल्विक टिल्ट करो, जो अगेन सिटिंग पोजीशन में की जा सकती है.
Okay. Right.
So these are the things which a working mom can also do. मतलब
So it's a doable task.
anybody excuse कि नहीं मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ
क्योंकि मैं काम कर रही हूँ. Right.
Yes. yes, yes.
ठीक है. So,
But if your nature of work is something which is more active, then you are anyways in the right path.
हाँ 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 हाँ
है
हाँ,
ना?
कोई मार्केटिंग में है या फील्ड जॉब में, देन तो
हाँ,
वो ऑलरेडी
हाँ,
फिजिकली एक्टिव हो ही
on
गए.
the go है. Yes,
राइट.
yes,
So basically, what I understand is for the working moms, especially, they should consult their physiotherapist, ask them about the stretch exercises, the chair exercises, which, whenever they have time in the office, they can stretch out. And during the
yes,
lunch break, also, they can take a thing, or evening break, they can
yes,
do it.
yes,
So it is
yes.
a doable task. It's nothing like we are working, how do we balance our care?
हाँ, हाँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल, मेरी एक पेशेंट थी, वो टीचर थी, तो
Okay.
वो खड़ी रहती थी. उनको खड़े रहने से एंकल स्वेलिंग आ जाता था. तो हम क्या करते थे कि उनको बीच बीच में वॉकिंग भी कराते थे, और जब उनका लंच ब्रेक होता था तो दे यूज टू गो टू टीचर्स रूम. तो वहां पे मैंने उनको पर्टिकुलरली बोल रखा था कि एक कुर्सी रखें, सामने एक कुर्सी रखे, लेग्स को ऊपर करें, और लॉट ऑफ एंकल मूवमेंट्स करें. तो उससे क्या होता था, स्वेलिंग इमीडिएटली कम हो जाती थी. तो वी वर एबल टू केटर दैट इमीडिएटली, राइट. और ये बहुत स्मॉल मूव्स है, कैन बी डन एनीवेयर. सो यस, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ऑक्यूपेशन वी कैन डेफिनेटली suggest some
True,
things.
true, right. So, okay, what one message Dr. Pooja would like to give to the expectant mothers?
मैं ना जब ज्ञान देती हूँ ना, तो ज्ञान की वर्षा हो जाती है.
But वो बहुत जरूरी भी है ना.
Yes. हाँ. So any expectant mother, okay, very important is, it is very important to respect your own body. Okay,
True.
treat it very well. Always remember, a healthy mom can give rise to a healthy baby. Okay.
Yes.
तो आप अपनी बॉडी को अब्यूज नहीं कर सकते. एंड अब्यूज डज नॉट मीन्स ओनली स्मोकिंग, एल्कोहल एंड ड्रग. इट ऑल्सो मीन नॉट स्लीपिंग इन द नाइट प्रॉपरली, eating pizza at 12 o'clock in the night. Nourishing your body properly is very much required before pregnancy and during pregnancy and post pregnancy.
Post pregnancy.
तीनों टाइम.
True, true, true.
Also.
Yeah.
तो आपका न्यूट्रिशन क्या हो रहा है, आप कितने बजे सो रहे हैं, आप कहाँ पानी पी रहे हैं, आप इनफ पानी पी रहे हैं कि नहीं पी रहे हैं. You cannot dehydrate yourself because 70 to 80% of your body is water. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
dehydration is something which you cannot allow. Are you able to spare some time for yourself where you are exercising, where you are doing deep breaths? Very important to in any point, whether you are preparing for pregnancy, postpartum, you have to take out time for yourself. That is 100%. And remember, doing exercise is not punishment, it is preparation.
Yes, it is an ongoing process.
Yes, it's a preparation in every phase. When you are exercising as a teenager, you are preparing for some sports. When you are exercising as a mother or for pregnancy, you're preparing for pregnancy. When you are exercising in pregnancy, you're preparing for labor. When you are exercising post pregnancy, you're preparing for recovery. So it's a preparation. So it is not punishment, it is a preparation. You have to remember that. Take care of yourself, how you will take care of your own baby.
Yes.
This body is your own baby. Okay.
True. And to make pregnancy a golden journey, it's just not about कि मैं जो खाना चाहूँ मैं वो खा लूँ, मेरी जो cravings है मैं उनको पूरा कर लूँ. ठीक है, cravings पूरी करनी चाहिए, but at the same time you have to balance it out with your exercises and the healthy food and the lifestyle.
Very important point. आपने craving बोला, बहुत ही अच्छा point बोला. There is a lot of cravings which comes because of two reasons. One is some deficiency in your body.
Okay.
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 So you have to cater those deficiencies so that the craving becomes less. Second is emotional imbalance.
Yes.
So you have to do something to emotionally balance. आप देखेंगे जिस दिन आप upset होंगे ना, आपको मीठा खाने का बहुत मन करेगा.
Yes.
Like you
Normal
would want to have
circumstances maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. है ना. तो आपका इमोशनली बहुत स्ट्रांग होना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज now is the journey that if you are not emotional strong, having a child who is
Child.
emotionally strong
Yes.
is very difficult,
True.
है ना?
True. Very true.
तो ये cravings को cater करने के लिए ये दो चीजें भी देखनी है, your deficiencies in the body and your emotional imbalance.
True. Very true. So, Pooja, our last and final questions are about the myths which are associated with prenatal physiotherapy, pregnancy. So, my first question is, though you have answered it, we are just kind of memorizing for our listeners. Exercise during pregnancy is dangerous. Women should not lift anything, should not exert. So, tell us about this misconception.
False. Movement is medicine.
Yes,
With
true.
proper supervision, exercise is safe and essential.
Yes.
Okay.
और अभी तक आई एम
Movement
श्योर
is
आवर
medicine.
ऑडियंस ये बात समझ चुके होंगे कि इट इज अ मिथ कि प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम एक्सरसाइज नहीं करनी चाहिए, तब की प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम करनी बहुत जरूरी है.
जरूरी है क्योंकि मूवमेंट इज मेडिसिन.
मूवमेंट.
मैं 10
यस.
साल से कोई मेडिकेशन नहीं खाई हूँ, कोई भी नहीं, नॉट इवन क्रोसिन. हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल? बिकॉज मेरे 6 सबसे बड़े मेडिसिन है. मूवमेंट, स्ट्रेस, नो स्ट्रेस मतलब स्ट्रेस
Yes.
को हमेशा
Yes.
रेगुलेट करना,
Yes.
आपका हाइड्रेशन, आपका फूड, आपका स्लीप, एंड ऑल केटर ऑल द डेफिशिएंसीज इन द बॉडी. तो
True.
एवरी 6 मंथ में बॉडी में टेस्ट कराती हूँ, जिससे कि अगर मुझे पता चल रहा है ओके मैं एनीमिक हूँ तो आयरन सप्लीमेंट्स लेने लग जाऊं, जिससे कि वो कभी भी कोई डिजीज या डिसऑर्डर ना बने.
Very true. True. And now this is another myth कि फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास तभी जाना चाहिए जब कोई फिजिकल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो, कि भाई या तो डायबिटीज आ गया या हाइपरटेंशन आ गया या स्पाइन में दर्द हो गया तभी जाओ.
तो हम वही बात हो गई कि ब्लड टेस्ट तभी कराओ जब कोई डिजीज है.
यस.
ब्लड टेस्ट तब कराना चाहिए जब डिजीज नहीं है, जिससे कि वो डिजीज ना बन जाए. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी इज नॉट ओनली करेक्टिव, इट इज ऑल्सो प्रिवेंटिव.
Yes,
so
true,
it can
very
prevent
true.
lot of problems if you, for example, sports में तो पूरा sports physiotherapy is about prevention.
Yes.
The physiotherapist work with the actor so that the actor does not get so many injuries. We
True.
can prevent those injuries, their performance can be better, and similarly in any phase.
True, very true. Okay, the third myth is pelvic floor exercises are all just needed after delivery. पहले करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
एक तो ये मिथ है कि pelvic floor exercises is only for women.
Yeah.
Men should also do it for pregnancy.
Yeah.
है ना? बहुत सारी चीजें बेटर हो सकती है men का अगर if they actually activate their pelvic floor. तो women को तो must है during pregnancy, preparation for the body for pregnancy, post pregnancy, perimenopause में in each phase.
Okay.
The importance of pelvic floor muscles get more higher and higher.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So our next thing is next misconception. It's too late to start prenatal physiotherapy in third trimester.
It's better late than never, na?
Yes, true, true, true.
Because कुछ तो कर पाएंगे. We will be able to help the patient for few weeks of guidance, and it has happened with me that there are so many people who have come to me in 3rd month with back pain, and I have suggested them, did you do any prenatal exercises? And they were like, no, nothing. Then I started for them in 3rd month because I said all these pains you have come, we could have avoided it if you would have started earlier, but let me now prepare your body for labor, because third trimester is all about preparation for labor.
True, true, true. Yes, right.
Okay.
And the last question, Pooja, post delivery everything will go back to normal on its own. I mean, that's the
not true at all, because everything requires a active rehabilitation, active intention. Don't ignore postpartum care. Very important, because those pains and aches and problems which comes postpartum stays with you throughout your life.
True.
Okay, so if you can actually resolve them then and there with a proper rehab, with a proper care, then it can not become a chronic problem.
Very true. Very true.
And classic example for this is back pain. Classic example.
Yes, yes, yes. Right. So, because what I have observed also, Pooja, what I'm seeing with the young moms, expectant moms, it's a comparison when the mother-in-law or the grandmother says, "अरे हम तो प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम में कुछ नहीं करते थे और देखो हमारा कितना स्मूथली हो गया है." सो अगर वो एक्सपेक्टेंट मॉम चाहे भी तो वो लाइक वो माइंडसेट बना नहीं पाती है.
हाँ.
So, what message you would like to give to all the grandmoms, to the mother-in-laws, especially, what kind of a support they should be giving to the expectant mother?
So, see, I'm not saying I am absolutely against pampering anybody. Okay, self-pamper करना चाहिए.
That is required. Yeah.
हाँ, self-pamper करना चाहिए. That is good enough. Okay, हम हमेशा इमोशनली किसी और पे डिपेंडेंट होना is another very very wrong path you are taking. Okay, so ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि मदर और मदर इन लॉ अपनी बेटी को बहुत पैम्पर करिए, बट मेक श्योर दैट वट एवर शी वॉन्ट्स टू डू. लाइक हम जब बच्चे होते हैं तो इफ वी वांट टू डू समथिंग, हाउ पेरेंट्स आर देयर एट द बैक ऑफ आवर माइंड, नो, कि कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ तो दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ मी एंड आई कैन गो अहेड एंड डू दिस थिंग. ओके, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट दे नीड एट एवरी स्टेज, बीइंग अ पेरेंट और मदर इन लॉज. ओके, you should support your. So if she's saying that 1 hour I have a class and I have to do this class, then you remind her, oh, your class is there, you are still not ready, get ready, you have to go for the class. So that kind of support they want.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That telling her that अभी रात को क्यों तुमको कचौड़ी खाना है, अभी मैंने बनाया है ना पालक पनीर, या तुमने बनाया वो खाओ रोटी के साथ. So that kind of support they need.
Yes. Okay. This is very much required.
Yes. That they know that somebody is there.
Yeah. And what kind of
required from the partner also, because
I was coming to that point only, especially in the nuclear family where the couples are staying alone. So let's talk about the partners thing, how that person should be taking care of the expectant mom.
Yeah, relationship is changing now. So
very much.
Instead of you both being center of attraction of each other, there is a third party coming who is taking that stage. Okay?
True.
So expecting, very important change which should happen is expecting less from the partner. Expecting less from the partner will make so many things easy. Okay. Also, all said and done, whether you agree or not agree, there is a lot more maternal instinct in a mother than a father.
Yes, that's natural. Yeah.
Yes, that's how we are designed. Okay.
True.
So certain things the men will not be able to guess. For example, if you have fed the baby and you want him to burp, you will have to go ahead and communicate rather than shouting at the person saying कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं करते हो तुम. You have to tell him what he needs to do.
I think that is a very relevant point you have picked up, Pooja. You have to tell rather than expecting.
Yes. You have to communicate. But if after communication they are not listening to you, then fight.
Then
fight
it's a different thing. Yes, true. Very true.
Yes.
Yeah.
But without expecting that they will take care of everything for them also, they are new fathers.
They're new parents.
हाँ, you are also guessing only कि इस पोजीशन में दूध पिलाना है कि उस पोजीशन में what is suiting me. They are also in a guesswork कि अभी क्या करना है, अभी क्यों करना है, अभी ये सडनली क्यों इतना गुस्सा हो जा रही है, सडनली क्यों वो रही है, क्यों ऐसा कर रही है, उसको नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि आप रात को सो नहीं रहे हो.
True.
Okay, so you have to communicate. See, this is what I am feeling right now. I don't want to start our sex life immediately. I need a 3 month, 4 month. You have to communicate.
Yes.
So,
true.
Because the type of relationship is changing. Okay, expecting each lot from each other is not good, and it will bring lot of fights. Okay.
Yes.
So yes, and be supportive of each other. मतलब आप पूरा दिन बच्चे को दे रहे हो, पर फिर भी 20 मिनट तो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ बैठ के बात कर सकते हो,
Yes, very
है ना?
true. Very
जब
true.
बच्चा सो रहा है,
Hmm.
तो make sure that you are still talking to each other. Talk is very important. Communicating each other feeling is very important.
Absolutely.
In this phase,
That is
yes,
a
because
key
the
of a
mother is,
relationship. Yeah.
yes, mother is recovering. Mother is
True.
recovering.
Yes.
नहीं, फिर उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद तो silence also speaks.
That is then key. You are understanding each other, so it's okay. Silence is more better than communication that time. But still, I feel at every stage in relationship,
Yes,
communication is it's
yes,
must.
very important. Very
It's
important.
not 10 years or 5 years. It is required.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, Dr. Pooja, we really had a very insightful session with you. Thank you so much. It was an eye-opening conversation, and I'm sure our audience will be really benefited with it. Thank you so
Hope they
much.
do. I
Yeah.
hope they do. Through these talks, you are helping many people. So, congratulations to your whole team.
Thank
And
you.
I am very, very grateful that I was invited here to share the insight, whatever little I have. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Pooja, for such an eye-opening conversation, for busting myths and sharing such valuable insights on pregnancy and physiotherapy. And to all the expectant mothers and those planning motherhood, याद रखिए प्रीनेटल फिजियोथेरेपी सिर्फ रिकवरी के लिए नहीं होती है. It's all about preparing, strengthening and empowering yourself for this beautiful journey. और अगर आपको इसके बारे में और जानना है or you want to consult Dr. Pooja for it, we have mentioned our contact details in our caption. This is your host Ankur R. Gupta, now signing off. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में एक नई राइजिंग स्टार की कहानी के साथ शी स्क्वाड तेजस्विनी पर.